General Logistics Systems is an express courier which provides national and international shipping services and is now part of the British Royal Mail Group. Their office in Cosenza has been active in the shipping business for over 25 years. Mr. Semprevivo, owner of the GLS Cosenza branch, says that every day their depot manages more than 40 distribution vehicles and more than 2,000 customers use their courier every day to make shipments throughout Italy and worldwide. The growth in e-commerce sales has made management of the GLS logistics processes even more complex. The company has had to cope with a significant increase in the number of packages to be delivered, as well as undelivered packages to be rescheduled for delivery and returns. Over the last year, it has become necessary to find a solution to the problems caused by undelivered packages, which are brought back to the company by our couriers, adds Mr. Semprevivo. The number of parcels that needed to be stored in a warehouse continued to rise, and the cost of tracing each individual one became very expensive, both in terms of time and operators' hours. Undelivered parcels were put onto shelves or even heaped on the ground in an enclosed area, where they were nevertheless exposed to dust and external agents. Packages to be sent out for redelivery had to be searched for manually, and the daily stock inventory took more than 2 hours to carry out. To solve these problems, the company made the decision to install a SILO² multi-column automatic vertical storage system. The 1,200 plus undelivered packages can now be stored in just 23 meters square. When the packages arrive in the warehouse, a 3D scanner detects the weight and the volume of each package and sends it to the company ERP, which interfaces with ICAM, the SILO² management software. Thanks to the software interface that ICAM provided, the SILO² vertical storage system can detect the volume of each individual package and find the best place in terms of space and time in which to store the parcel in its storage trays. The operator selects empty trays inside the SILO² using a PC, and in just a few moments the trays are brought to the access opening where the packages can be inserted. After scanning the barcode, the operator proceeds to the selection and confirmation of the storage location, creating a unique association between the shipment number and the compartments chosen. SILO² enables GLS to manage the list of packages that need to be redelivered automatically. Every day, the warehouse manager loads a file directly into the system, and the storage system automatically searches for the trays in which the relevant parcels are stored. In the same way, the storage system can also manage any parcels whose delivery dates have expired and must be returned to the sender. Since we started using the storage system, Mr. Saeli, the warehouse manager, estimates that they have saved around an hour to an hour and a half of work time each day. Before introducing the SILO², there was the chance that mistakes could be made and that the parcels stored on the shelves would mistakenly be switched. Now, however, IRIDE, the multimedia interactive workstation, lights up the relevant package, so it is virtually impossible to make mistakes. Installing the SILO² storage system also makes life easier for the end users who come to the GLS depot to pick up a package. The reception desk staff can enter the shipment number for a package stored inside the SILO², and within a few moments the tray containing the parcel is brought to the access opening and can be retrieved by the warehouse operator. Thanks to the installation of a vertical storage system, GLS have been able to benefit from a number of advantages, explains Mr. Semprevivo. The first undoubtedly relates to the savings in terms of human resources and therefore the overall cost of labor for the company. In addition, there has also been a reduction in the queues that formed as customers waited to collect their packages. Another advantage has been the possibility to automatically manage the storage system. Lastly, we have been able to increase the level of security for the goods we store. Today, these packages are safely stored inside the storage system, where they are protected from any unauthorized access, but above all, from the dust and dirt that are commonly found in a warehouse environment.